So let us learn about Python data types. So Python data types, basically there are three types in Python. They are int, float, and complex. So these are the three basic numeric types are available in Python language. So let us experiment on them. So how you will declare variables in Python? In Python there is no need of declaring any variable. Just if you assign some value to a variable, then only the variable takes life. So hit enter, then x will be created. If you want to check whether what data type x belongs, you can use a function called type function. Type function. A type function will tell that this particular variable belongs to which data type. Now if you check this x belongs to int data type. Like that we can know. If you assign x is equal to 6.7 something fractional part, then if you check what it will tell, let us see. So in Python it is allowed that you can change a variable's value as per your wish. You can assign the same variable, integer, float, or some character, whatever you want, whatever string, anything you can assign. So this is called dynamic typing, that is allowed in Python language. So dynamic typing is allowed in Python language. This is the behavior of Python language. So if you take some other value in if you take this x is equal to 4 plus 5j, this is called complex number. So complex numbers are in the form of a plus bj in Python. You hit enter, check type x, it will tell you it is a complex data type. Now these are the basic numeric types in Python. Next if you take for taking up the logical values, we have bool data type in Python. So that is comes with two values, true and false. These are true. If you take x is equal to 4 greater than 2, type x bool. Okay, is it clear? Okay, so this is what boolean or bool data type. In short, it is called boolean data type, full form. In short, it is called bool. Okay, this is the how that will be stored. So the result of logical expression always be a boolean value. So if you x simply, it will say true. So the result of that expression is stored in x. So this is like basic data types in Python. These are called numeric types. So in Python there are sequences also. There are other types that are called sequences. Among them is a list. How you will define a list? List is a group of values. List is an ordered collection of elements. List is what? It is a ordered collection of elements. List is a list is what is list? List is a ordered collection of elements. So how you will represent the list? You will represent the list using these brackets. Using these brackets. Ramu is March 56. Is living in Hyderabad. All this stuff you can store in one thing, that is called list. You can extract the elements of a list using index. This is because list elements are ordered. If you put 0, what will come? Ramu will come. So if you put LST of 1, what will come? The first element will come out. Like that. You can remove the elements inside a list using delete. Del command. Del lst of 0. So if you type that lst, now you got only two values. One is removed. The first one, Ramu, is removed. Now if you take this, how to remove? There are another methods also. So lst dot remove that variable particular value Ramu. Sorry, that variable, that particular value is already removed. If you take another, remove the Hyderabad, which is there inside the list. So it was removed. Now if you type that lst, only one element left, that is 56. So this is the list. Now how to add elements to a list? There is one method called append. So lst dot append. Append means the elements will be added at the end. Gopal. Need to close that. Just I forgot that. So lst append method, if just give the name. Now if you type that lst, you will show that particular element is added at the end. I want to add the element at the beginning. That we can do using insert command. Let's see, that is the insert function. Well, let us learn. Insert. So which position you want to put, that position you put, and what value you want to put. At first position I want to put. That is 0th location. So if I type that lst, that will be inserted in the first position itself. So this is the append method. We learned insert method, remove method, delete method. We have learned all these functions. These functions will work on the list. So I want to add one list to another list. There is a method called extend. So I will create one more list called x1, put some values in that. So if I use this method, okay, extend, I am going to use the method called extend. Now list dot extend x1. So if you put like this, now lst, okay, now if you see this, this will be complete, it will be showing the complete list. Okay, this is the complete list value. So this is the thing. So like this, the list values will be extended. Okay, now let us take take another list, L3, sorry, x3 or something. I am going to add some things like called next, like this, some strings I am adding to this list. Now I want to add these list and previous list and create a new list. Now double x I will take, lst less x3. If I hit enter, I got a new list with joining two lists. These apple, banana are added at the end. So this way also you can join two lists and create a new list. This is also called possible. So in the list elements are ordered. We can modify a list. That means lists are mutable. You can add an element inside a list. You can delete an element from the list. So like that you can do. Okay, is it clear? Okay, next. Okay, now let us learn about tuple. So what is a tuple? Tuple is a fixed array. It is like a fixed list. So we cannot modify a tuple. For example, x equal to area, example 6.65. So if you want to store some fixed things, so you can use tuple. Now if you want to modify a particular value, it will not allow. So it will, tuple does not support item assignment. It will say clearly. So you say x of 0, it will display. So it is like an ordered collection. It will display like this. Is equal to one more tuple I am creating. Now these are two different tuples. I am taking a third one.